this house, so I'm gonna go out and go walk or do something. He'll be over here shortly. He's leaving his house here in like 5 minutes, and then he's gonna be on his way here. And so yeah, we'll probably go out and do something. So who knows? All right, so we're having a party in the elevator. So I think we're gonna go down here. Freaking pouring rain, in case you can't tell. No, you can't tell at all, can you? Anyway, you wanna say anything to my peeps?
Bloody hell, that's my bloody speck on here.
What the hell? Anyway, elevator's not moving. I had to
Really can jump and make it fall.
No, I ain't gonna do that. Anyway,
I think it's good.
I don't have a vlog much in the past couple of days. I'm just